What's going on, everybody? My name's MV. I've been here at Weldtec Designs for just about 3 years, and I have driven just about everything. You guys have seen me in past videos, E-Series, Transit, Pleasureway, a lot of different videos in the past. Today, check it out. A beautiful all-wheel drive, high roof Ford Transit with a very interesting build out going on. We have the Trail Hero kit on this, and there's a lot of different components to talk to you guys about the benefits of running Weldtec Design suspension on your Ford Transit. So first off, looking at this thing right here, you can see aggressive tires right here. We got these Wild Peak tires that have a nice aggressive sidewall. That's gonna give you a lot of protection when you're off-road. These are 245, 75, 16 tires, and we are also running these beautiful Method 701 wheels, giving this thing a nice look. All black, matching all your trim and everything that runs on the side of this Transit, including these very cool running boards that we got right here. You'll notice in the front, we just have the stock situation happening right here. Nothing crazy, but keep in mind, if you're interested, we do have a brand new Weldtec Designs 2-inch bumper that you can run on just about any Ford Transit, including the HD models. And we're also adding additional support for the newer models that have the sensors integrated into our own bumper here at Weldtec Designs. So we're running the Trail Hero kit, so let's just take a look at this right here. This is beautiful. Right here, we have the King coilover. I was actually personally involved in the development of this product right here. I was up at the King facility talking with the research and development team, and really, this is a beautiful thing to see come true right here. This coilover is fully adjustable. You can change out the spring, and in addition to it, we have a piggyback reservoir right here in the front, which is gonna keep your shocks cooler for a longer time because of that oil volume that you have in there. We also have on the bottom here a red clicker where you can have 20 clicks of adjustability. So you can adjust your shocks on the fly, whether you want the ride to be soft or firm, depending on your driving conditions. In addition, in the front down here, if we look down here, Aaron, we have our 3rd generation Weldtec Designs lower control arm. This thing is a thing of beauty. Not only do you get a beautiful, fully fabricated, custom piece, powder coated in black, made here in San Diego in the United States, you're getting camber adjustment as well as caster adjustment, which is huge because from the factory, these do not come with any kind of alignment adjustment. Super, super cool. Really happy that we have this product, and I know coming soon, we're gonna be moving into another generation of lower control arms. It's gonna be even better. In the back, full set of progressive leaf springs, giving you a very beautiful ride quality. The progressive leaf stack is gonna allow you to have a great ride quality in the back and keep your passengers comfortable, as well as support the load that you have. This particular Transit has a heavier load. We'll look in a minute. It has a heavy build out. Let's take a look inside. This is a really nice build out. Got a little bit of my camera gear back here, but you can see this is a lot of weight added right here. And this particular Transit is running the 5500 springs, which are gonna be on the heavier side springs that we run on these Ford Transits. And it's gonna support all that additional load that we have from this very unique, very cool build out. Additionally, we have our King shocks with the remote reservoir. We actually manufacture this bracket that you can see right here, powder coated in black. Same thing back here. We use the remote reservoir instead of the piggyback here because it's way easier to locate your clicker, and you get 20 clicks of adjustability right here, whether you want the ride to be soft or firm. In addition, in the back, we're running our high clearance shock mounts. Additional clearance when you're on those trail roads. You can see over here in the back, they are running a spare tire. So here's that Wild Peak tire with their methods. And this is, I believe, it looks like a luminous base rack. Nice product right here. A lot of people do a lot of different things. At the moment, we are working on something for the back of these Transits. For now, you'll just have to come to our, actually it looks like it's made by Owl. That's what it looks like, Owl Vans. Let's come on over here, guys. One thing I did want to mention is that in the front here, with our Weldtec Designs 3rd gen lower control arms, we're also running our lower control arm support bracket. This is huge because the mounting points down there, as you can see, It's very thin metal. We got like single shear situation going on. So this is actually giving you a lot more support and a lot more safety. It's a fail safe at the end of the day. When you're out on those trail roads, you know that you got something supporting your lower control arm. So guys, check it out. Ford Transit, super beautiful. This thing is ready to go out on missions across the lands at this time. I mean, this thing looks really great. I mean, look at that, super sleek. Look at that white with the black tints, black wheels. Like this is, you know, all we need right here is like a 2-inch bumper, and then this thing is gonna be super max ready to go. You know, get you out of those situations when you're in a pickle out on the trails. Yeah, dude, this thing is super, super sweet. So guys, if you have any questions, I got links below in the description, links to all these different products. You can find out a lot of information on our product pages. In addition, if you're interested in anything, click the link below in the description as well. You can book a call, 15 to 30 minutes, a free consultation on what you might need and any questions that you might have. Guys, click the links, give us a call on our website, and we'll be happy to help you with anything you need when it comes to building suspension for a Transit like this, or an RV, or even an E-Series van or a Chevy van. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'm MV, and guess what? I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos. This is my brand new channel. I'm gonna be checking in with you guys a lot. Actually, in the coming week, I'm gonna be at King of Hammers with Jeremy. That's gonna be something crazy. But yeah, expect a lot more videos coming from me, guys. I've done a lot of driving over the last 3 years over here at Weldtec Designs. And I just want to share with you my experience, my expertise. I do the RV reviews with Jeremy over at Big J's RV Reviews as well. So I want to share some of my experience, some of my knowledge, and hopefully get you guys in a sick rig like this. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If it was informative, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.